Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a very good hiring which is coming here from Deloitte. PE, BTech, MCA are eligible. The location is Hyderabad, and the profile for which Deloitte is hiring is nothing but data analytics. Friends, data analytics is one of the top trending technology where there are a lot of available jobs. Even you can search on Google, right? So there are 4,381 data analyst jobs only available in Bangalore. And even for freshers, you can see here experienced fresher. That means 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23. So all these batches can apply for this data analytics job. Friends, see, there are most of jobs available in IT or better jobs with better salary if you compare with business analytics and any other business development. So data analytics has good salary and more number of jobs. You can also see the data analytics analyst salary in India. So annual salary average is 5.6 LPA, and you can see data analyst salary in India ranges between 1.7 lakhs to 11.3 lakhs with an average annual salary of 5.6 lakhs. So now, if you have knowledge in data analytics, then your future is secured. You do not have to worry. You will be getting lot of opportunity here. Even NASCOM said so in FY 2023, India's technology industry revenue, including hardware, is estimated to cross $245 billion, and addition of $19 billion over last year. The industry continues to be a net hirer. Additionally, nearly 3 lakh employees, taking the total employee base to 5.4 million. So, friends, the more number of employees will be hired. Now, the question is, how to learn data analytics? So what is a trusted platform? How you can learn and get a job quickly? Who will give you the guaranteed placement opportunities? So all those things I'm going to discuss in this particular video. So friends, I recently came across a platform, Great Learning. Okay, and Great Learning is providing 7 guaranteed placement opportunity, 3 to 6 LPA salary range, highest CTC of 9 LPA, 3,000 plus companies hire from us. So friends, this will happen through the data analytics bootcamp program, which is launched by Great Learning. So here also you can see 4-month full-time classroom or online format, 7 guaranteed placement opportunity upon successful program completion. So friends, see, online and offline format both are there, but I will suggest you to go for the offline format. The reason is, friend, see, Bangalore is said to be IT city, Silicon City, right? So definitely, why? The reason is there are more companies. Are there more companies with more opportunities, more walk-ins, more drives is there. So if you want to go for offline classroom, then Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Pune. So these are the centers currently where the offline the boot camp is going on, so that you will be able to get the job quickly in this particular cities, right? So friends, the application closes on 4th of October, and you can see, so all these companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Intel, IBM, Flipkart, HP, Adobe, Dell, Facebook, Uber, Tech Mahindra, and all are hiring. And what are you going to learn? So basics of Excel, Python programming, integration of SQL, Python, and Tableau, SQL programming, Tableau, right? So which is required for data analytics. Friends, see, one data analytics boot camp, and there are a lot of opportunities will open for you as a data analyst, data engineer, machine learning engineer, business analyst, right? So all these positions you will be easily able to apply for that. Okay, now, so anyway, the link is in description, so you can check it out. Okay, so friends, if you are 19 to the 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 pass outs, right, 24, then you will be able to apply. So 2019 onwards, if you are graduated, then you will be able to apply for this. So all these courses are designed for the graduate. Placement oriented courses are there. Industry relevant skills you will be getting. Choose between classroom or online learning, which I discussed now, and hands-on learning. Friends, here you will be able to do more than 10 hands-on projects like finance and banking, data visualization. See, everything is around the data right now, and India is one of the main contributor for this data analytics, because the population is more, the internet user, website user, right? So you know how many people uses Instagram, TikTok when it was there, Facebook. So that, the lot of data is available in every field in India, right? Banking sector, insurance sector, supply chain, banking, e-commerce, marketing, retail, right? And see, all the your dream companies are associated with them, right? And recruiter testimonials, even Wipro told that unlike freshers we hire through campus placement, the resource from the Great Learning had a true understanding in the area of data analytics, as Great Learning programs are designed in a way to accomplish business needs, because Great Learning knows what a student has to know to easily get into the companies. VI, Kotak Mahindra, right? Okay, job openings for data analytics in India. So LinkedIn is saying 19,100, Naukri 11,900, Indeed 8,600, Found it 9,000 plus, Sign 11,300 plus. And you can also go through the learner testimonial, friends. And one more thing, see why I'm not suggesting other institutes. It's very, very clear, friends, because the things which you are getting here, you will not get anywhere else, right? Because the courses design and everything in a very proper way, so that you can get a very good salary package of up to 9 LPA. Average salary will be 4.6 LPA, and 6,000 plus faces has been already been placed, right? Okay, so friends, you can what you can do here is, so you can click on download browser, and then you can fill your contact name, email ID, mobile number, UG degree, year of graduation, and preferred center. And then once you submit, then you will be receiving a call, right? So receive your browser and book a free one-to-one consultation. Then you will be getting a call from Great Learning in few days, and they will tell you each and everything. Based on that, you can decide and you can go ahead for that, right? Anyway, if you want to apply for this freshers data analyst job, you will be able to apply from here. The link will be given in description. So friends, for this data analytics program, which is very, very important, so what you can do, you should definitely enroll this. The link is in description. Okay, so click right now. Don't wait, because when you are waiting, definitely the competition will be keep increasing. So get the job when there is very less competition with Great Learning. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.